Good morning, students. Today we will continue the same chapter, that is agriculture. And today we will discuss about the importance of agriculture. The first importance of agriculture is it provides employment. As you know, most of the population of the world still depends on agriculture for its livelihood. It is a major occupation of people in the developing countries of the world. My dear students, most of the peoples of developing countries like India, because India is a developing country. So most of the people of developing countries are dependent on agriculture. The backbone of our country. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. India is an agriculturist country or agricultural country. Hence, it is the backbone of our country's economic development because around 50% of our population is dependent on agriculture. 50% people are dependent on agriculture and rest of the 50% are dependent on other sectors. Now, third importance is create huge market. Agriculture not only supplies food, because agriculture supplies food to the peoples. So agriculture not only supplies food to the people but also create huge markets for tractors, threshers, harvesters, fertilizers, pesticides and other industrial products. Means they all are dependent on agriculture. Next is it helps in providing employment, eradicating poverty, enhancing trade and earning foreign exchange. My dear students, agriculture providing employment, as I told you, 50% people of India directly or indirectly dependent on agriculture for their livelihood, for their job, for work by which they can remove their poverty also. For example, as I told you, agriculture enhancing trade and earning foreign exchange also. So many agriculture products are also exported from India to other countries of the world. So many agriculture products such as jute, tobacco, spices, oil seeds, raw cotton, tea as well as coffee accounts for approximately 18% of the entire value of exports of a country. This proves that agriculture products also continue to be an important source of funding for a country's foreign exchange. And last one is to strengthen global relation by encouraging international trade of agriculture product. So agriculture play very important role for any country. Thank you and have a nice day.